I have explained ninth problem, 6th to 8th, 9th problem I have explained. 10th sum you can do according to 9th model. Now take 11th problem. 11, 12, 13 same similar sums. 11th problem. Page number H9. 11th problem. Page number H9. On 15th June 2005, the premises of fire and stone were destroyed by fire, but sufficient records were saved from which the following were ascertained. Stock at cost 1st January 2004, stock at cost 31st December 2004, purchase less returns year ended 31st December 2004, sales less returns year ended 31st December 2004, purchase less returns 1st January 2005 to 15th June 2005, sales less returns 1st January 1965 to that is not in 1965 2005 to 15th June 2005. In value stock for balance sheet at 31st December 2004 2,300 rupees had been written off certain stock which was a poor selling line having cost 6,900 rupees. A portion of these goods were sold in March 2005 at a loss of 250 rupees on the original cost of 3,450. The remainder of the stock was now estimated to be worth the original cost. Subject to the above exception, gross profit had remained at a uniform rate throughout. The stock value was 5,800 rupees. Show the amount of the claim. So here we have to prepare the trading account and we have to get the gross profit percentage. But here normal stock, abnormal stock is there. I will explain clearly. So first take trading account. Trading account. So first take two opening stock. Opening stock 73,500 rupees. To purchase 3,98,000. 3,98,000. 3,98,000. Next, buy sales. Buy sales 4,87,000. 4,87,000. Buy closing stock. He has given closing stock value 79,600. See, in valuing stock for balance sheet on 31st December 2004, 2,300 had been written off. Certain stock which was a poor selling line. Poor selling line stock nothing but at the time of fire accident we can save some stock. Take example this book. So this book caught with the fire. So 1 or 2 pages totally destroyed. Then we can save this book. So that stock is called poor selling line stock. So we cannot sell full value of the book because of it is damaged. That's why we can sell some discount or some deducting rates. So such type of stock is called poor selling line stock. So that amount written of 2,300. So you have to add without if there is no fire accident, that stock also included in closing stock. That's why it add poor selling line stock. Selling line stock 2300. Total 81,900 rupees. There is no wages. That's all. So find the gross profit. Find the total. Then total how much? 5,68,800. 5,68,900 minus these two amounts. How much is gross profit? Balance amount. Tell. 97,400. This is gross profit. Okay. Now percentage of gross profit equals gross profit by sales into 100. Gross profit 97,400. Sales 4,87,000 into 100. How much is percentage? 20%. So this percentage you can apply in memorandum trading account. So in memorandum trading account it is a 6 columns. That's why I will rub this one. Memorandum trading account. So particulars: normal stock, abnormal stock, total. Particulars: normal stock, abnormal stock, total stock. In trading account, closing stock, here opening stock. How much that opening stock? No, that total stock. After adding poor selling stock,
81,900.
that amount take here 81,900. So that abnormal stock nothing but 5 lakhs in stock 6,900 has given. Poor selling stock 6,900. So this is 6,900. This is called abnormal stock. So the normal stock actually this one plus this one you can get this one. So there is no normal stock. So from total stock you can deduct this abnormal stock. You may get normal stock. 81,900 minus 6,900. How much? 75,000 normal stock. So like that you have to find. To purchase. Purchase how much? 1,62,000 up to 5 lakhs then 1,62,000 you purchased. Every time you can purchase normal stock only but not abnormal stock. So the dash and total same 1,62,000. By sales, he has given by sale total sales 231,200. 231,200. Abnormal stock sales. See in this paragraph, a portion of these goods was sold in March 2005 at a loss of 250 on the original cost of 3,450. Original cost 3,450. This stock was sold at 250 loss. Nothing but how much? Its sales value 3,200. How? 3,450 minus 250. You can get 3,200. This is abnormal stock sales. 3,200. So nothing but 3,450 stock is sold at the rate of 3,200. Nothing but you are getting 250 rupees loss. Now, what are the normal stock sales? From this total stock sales, you get 3,200. You may get some sales. How much the sales?
2,28,000.
2 lakhs.
28,000.
2,28,000. This minus this, you can get this 2,28,000. By loss you got 250 rupees. You can write here. Total also 250. There is no normal stock loss. To gross profit. Every time you have to chart gross profit percentage on normal stock sales. 2,28,000 into 20%. Now we got trading account percentage, gross profit percentage, 20%. How much? 2,28,000 into 20%. 45,600. So take here 45,600. So dash here also 45,600. Now by closing stock balance amount. How much is total? Funds total?
2,82,600.
600. 2,82,600. So right here 2,82,600 minus 2,28,000.
54,600.
54,600. Like that 6,900. You can write here 6,900. Balance amount
3,450. 3,450.
3,450. Total stock
2,89,500.
2,89,500. 2,89,500 minus this amount.
58,050.
58,000. 050 na? 58,000. 58,050. So that is closing stock. So now same again pro forma. What is the pro forma? Amount to be amount to be claimed from the insurance company. Amount to be claimed from the insurance company. Heading this one. Closing stock. You can take total stock 58,050 less stock salvaged. Salvaged 5,800 as given last line. Stock salvaged 5,800 minus
52,250.
52,250. This is claimed to be large. Claimed to be large with the insurance company. That is it. So this is 11th problem. So similar problems are there here. 12th sum same and 13th also same. I will explain very important problem. 15th problem. See here 15th problem H11. The premises and stock of Karam Chand stores were totally destroyed by fire on 30th January 2004. From the account books and other records that were saved, the following information is available. The stock on hand has always been valued at 10% less than the cost. Opening stock as valued, 4 years as given, purchase less returns, sales less returns, wages, closing stock as valued. Prepare a statement of submission to the insurance company in support of the claims for loss of stock. So here in 2004 fire accident occurred, but he has given previous 3 years information. So you have to get the gross profits of 3 years and percentage also, and take average percentage of gross profit. That percentage you can apply in 2004 memorandum trading account. So now I will solve the 2001 year trading account. Fifteenth problem, trading account for 2001. Particulars, amount. To opening stock. Another opening stock 2709. What did it explain? 10% is cost less. So cost is 10% nothing, but every time you can take 100 by 90. How much? 100 by 90. 3000. 3010. To purchase how much? 7490. By sales 12,000 rupees. To wages how much? 1740. By closing stock value 3240. Again 3240 into 100 by 90. 3600. Now to gross profit. Balance amount. Total 15,600. 15,600 minus these three amounts. How much gross profit?
3,360.
3,360. Now percentage of gross profit equal gross profit by sales into 100. 3,360 by sales 12,000 into 100. 28% you can get. This is one answer. Now trading account for 2002. To opening stock. How much is your opening stock? 3,240. So 3,240 again 100 by 90. You can get 3,600. Otherwise, you can take this closing stock, this is opening stock. Same. To purchase how much? Second hero, 8,000 rupees. To purchase 8,000. To wages 1900 by sales 13,200 by closing stock 3,600 into 100 by 90 4,000 to gross profit balance amount fund is total 17,200 minus these three amounts 3,700 rupees gross profit. Again, percentage of gross profit equals 3,700 gross profit by sales 13,200 into 100. How much? 28%. Next, one more trading account we have to prepare. Then memorandum trading account. So I will rub this board. Just I will change the amounts because of same amounts, same information. Now 2003 trading account for 2003. Again opening stock. How much 2003 opening stock? 3,600. 3,600 into 100 by 90. 4,000 rupees. So that closing stock, here opening stock. To purchase, in this year purchase 8,100. Wages 2090. Sales 14,000 rupees sales. Closing stock 3690 into 100 by 90. How much this one? 4,100. Find the gross profit. First you find the total amount 18,100. 18,100 minus these three amounts. Gross profit 3,910. Now percentage of gross profit. Gross profit sales into 100. 3,910 by sales 14,000 into 100. 28%. So now in 3 years you are getting the 28%. Even though sometimes you may get different percentage. That's why take average. Average gross profit percentages equal first year 28%, second year also 28, third year also 28 by 3. Then you may get 28%. This 28% apply in memorandum trading account. Now I will rub this one. memorandum trading account to opening stock 3690. So 3690 into 100 by 90, 4100. Purchase, this year purchase 600 rupees only. Wages 200. Sales, this year sales 1200 rupees. Gross profit, now this is not a balancing amount, you can get the gross profit. How? On sales you can apply 28%. So for this purpose we prepared 3 trading accounts. Okay, 200 into 28% is how much?
336.
336. Now find the closing stock. Total how much here?
5236.
5236. 5236 minus 1200.
4036.
4036. So this is balance amount 4036. Now write that heading. Then you can write closing stock 4036 less stock salvaged. How much stock salvaged? Nothing here. 4036. That is answer. So this is also very important sum. So almost I have finished this chapter. Suppose if you have any doubts, you ask me. Tomorrow I will explain life insurance accounts in this unit. Okay, that is also very important chapter. You follow that one.